Hello, in this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up your Starlink kit. Your kit includes everything you need to connect to the internet. This includes your Starlink base, a 15-meter cable, a power cable, and a Wi-Fi router. The Starlink base is designed for ground-level installation or to support a quick start setup. To test your internet connection, many customers find that a permanent or elevated mount provides the best installation and service. Additional mounts and accessories are available in the Starlink store. For installation, your Starlink requires a clear view of the sky, free of obstructions. Here's an example of a bad location. These trees are blocking Starlink's line of sight. Here's a clear section. Notice there are no obstructions. Obstructions, obstacles, or objects falling into the line of sight between your Starlink and the satellites will cause service interruptions. To get started, download the Starlink app to customize your network. The first step in setting up your Starlink is to determine the best location. You can do this by checking for obstructions using the app's built-in tool. Follow the instructions in the app to find an ideal location. After choosing a location, hold your phone at the same height and position as the Starlink while scanning the sky to see the area that needs to be clear based on your location. Choosing a location free from obstructions will help optimize your connection. After finding the ideal location for your Starlink, follow the instructions in the app to connect the correct end of the cable to the mast. Once connected, position the Starlink on the base. When connecting your cable, do so in a dry environment and ensure your connector is clear and undamaged. The bottom of the cable housing should be level with the alignment line on the dish. Be careful not to force the connector to avoid damage if it is misaligned. It should easily snap into place. To power the Starlink and the router, connect the power cable to the larger rectangular port and the Starlink cable to the smaller circular port on the Starlink router. The white LED on the router's base means that the router is powered. When initially connected to power, the Starlink will tilt up into sky search mode. This means that the Starlink is searching the sky for a connection and may take up to 15 minutes. While Starlink searches for a connection, this is a good opportunity to set up your network. Follow the instructions on your app to customize your Starlink. When the Starlink finds a connection, you will see it tilt to its final position. It will face north if you are in the northern hemisphere and south if you are in the southern hemisphere. After setting up your network, you can use the app to check your connection status, view statistics, and more. Thank you for watching.